Harris Production Enterprise coming at you with Cash Magic Auto Detailing. Today we'll be watching an all-black vehicle in direct sunlight. Please like and subscribe and give me 6 minutes of your time and you won't regret it. When you're dealing with dark colored vehicles, especially black, you do not want to come at the paint with the power washer first. You want to put some type of lubricant on there so when you do start your rinse, it runs the contaminants right down on the smooth surface. Me personally, I go ahead and foam it first, and I go and rinse the foam down, and I come back in with the foam, and that's usually how I start my wash on any dark colored vehicle. Cleanliness is next to godliness. For the top, I come at it with the brush, with the microfiber pad on the end, just because it's a larger vehicle, and I want to make sure I get all the debris and contaminants off the top of the vehicle as well. I don't use a 2-bucket system, but I never double back into my bucket. I will put the dirty mitts that I've already used and pads in a different bucket until they have been washed. When washing dark colored vehicles, I usually use about 4 to 6 mitts. Some find it wasteful, to each his own. In my bucket opposed to soap, I have a Shine and Giant chemical, which serves the purpose of helping you buy time so you don't have to speed through your wash worrying about water spots. It also helps with lubricating the vehicle so the clay can glide along the surface. For those that like to wash one side of the car at a time, and this spray is more just wax and dry, go ahead and spray that, wipe that side down. I'm only gonna do it on one side. If it sit too long, it will leave a residue, but it's a lot easier to get off the vehicle opposed to water spots. Just to remember when washing, top to bottom, no pressure on your pads or mitts. Open those gas tanks and lift those wipers. As you all can see now, the foam has been sitting on the vehicle for some time now. I washed the entire vehicle and I'm about to prepare for the final rinse and a very important step with Giant. So what I've done, I came back with a drying wax through the foam cannon, dried the vehicle off. You can see the shine, no water spots. And that is how you achieve a water spot free shine in direct sunlight on black vehicles. Stay tuned, there'll be some more tips, just helpful pointers I go through to continue finishing this vehicle.